Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Here I teach basic concept behind any math problem and build strong math foundation for students. This session is part 2 of chapter Give and Take from NCERT. तो students, आज मैं आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी। एक समय की बात है, एक बेबी लायन जंगल में गुम जाता है और रोने लगता है। उसे देखकर एक ओल्ड डियर को उस पर दया आ जाती है और वो उसे अपने साथ अपने घर ले जाता है। पर बाकी के एनिमल्स बेबी लायन को देखकर डर जाते हैं। उन्हें लगता है कहीं बेबी लायन उन्हें खा ना ले। तब ओल्ड डियर बोलता है, डोंट वरी, मैंने लायन को वार्न कर दिया है, वो किसी को नहीं खाएगा। फिर दूसरी सुबह बेबी लायन सबको थैंक यू बोलता है और वहाँ से जा रहा होता है। तब रैबिट बोलता है, तुम ऐसे नहीं जा सकते, पहले हम सभी को काउंट करेंगे ताकि हमें पता चल जाए कि तुमने रात को कोई बदमाशी तो नहीं की है। हम सब टोटल 240 होने चाहिए। लेट्स काउंट। टिल्लू काउंटेड रैबिट एंड डियर। देयर वर 27 रैबिट्स एंड 48 डियर। टोटल ऑफ दिस विल बी 8 plus 7 will be 15 and we will have one carry over. 4 plus 2 plus 1 will be 7. So there were total 75 rabbits and deer. Old deer counted birds and squirrel. There were 124 birds and 38 squirrel. Total 4 plus 8 will be 12. We will have one carry over. 3 plus 2 plus 1 will give us 6. And 1 will be 1. So there were total 162 birds and squirrels. If we add all the animals, 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 7 will be 13 and we will have one carry over and 1 plus 1 will be 2. So what can we say? First we had 240 animals and now we have 237 animals. Difference will be, we can't subtract 7 from 0, so we will borrow 1 and 4 will become 3 and 0 will become 10. 10 minus 7 will be 3. 3 minus 3 will be 0 and 2 minus 2 will be 0. So we can say that lion has eaten up 3 animals. Okay, let's see some another example. One factory on first day made 270 bulbs and on second day 123 bulbs. When we add them, we will get 0 plus 3 will be 3, 7 plus 2 will be 9 and 2 plus 1 will be 3. So total how many bulbs did factory made? 393. A shopkeeper Rafi had 153 candles and Paras gave him 237 candles more. तो हमें ये बताना है अब शॉपकीपर के पास टोटल कितनी कैंडल्स थी। 3 plus 3 will be 6, 5 plus 7 will give us 12 and there will be one carry over. 1 plus 1 plus 2 will be 4. So the shopkeeper total had 426 candles. So we have to tell one more thing, if it is less than 400 or greater than 400. So we can clearly see that 426 is greater than 400. तो आपको पता है ट्रेन में डिफरेंट कंपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं। इन वन कंपार्टमेंट देयर वर 132 people and second compartment there were 129 people. So we have to tell how many people were there. So 2 plus 9 will give us 11 and there will be one carry over. 1 plus 3 plus 2 will be 6 and 1 plus 1 will be 2. So we can say that there were total 261 people. एक टीचर ने चार्ट प्रिपेयर किया और उसमें उन्होंने लिखा कि उनके क्लास में कितने स्टूडेंट्स को ऑरेंजेस पसंद है और कितने को मैंगोज़। So let's see what are the question asked here. First, how many students in the school like oranges? तो हमें ये बताना है कि कितने स्टूडेंट्स को ऑरेंजेस पसंद. सो इन द चार्ट वी कैन सी 136 गर्ल्स लाइक ऑरेंजेस and 128 boys like oranges. 136 plus 128 will be 6 plus 8 will be 14. There will be one carry over. 3 plus 2 plus 1 will give us 6. 1 plus 1 will be 2. So total 264 student like mango. Second question is, how many students in the school like mangoes? So from the chart we can see 240 girls like mangoes and 243 boys like mangoes. 240 plus 243 will be 0 plus 3 will be 3, 4 plus 4 will be 8 and 2 plus 2 will be 4. So total 483 students like mangoes. Next question is, altogether how many students are there in the school? So in the chart we can see there are 136 and 240 girls. So 136 plus 240 will be, so there are 376 girls. And how many boys? 128 boys and 243 boys. So 128 plus 243 will be 8 plus 3 11. There will be one carry over. 1 plus 2 plus 4 will be 7 and 1 plus 2 will be 3. So there are 371 boys and total students will be 376 girls and 371 boys. So 6 plus 1 will be 7, 7 plus 7 will be 14, there will be one carry over, 1 plus 3 will be 7. So total there are 747 students. And the next question is the number of girls more than 350 or less than 350? So let's see, there are how many girls? There are 376 girls. So 376 is clearly more than 350. So it is more than 350. Okay? So इस पोर्शन में आप देख सकते हैं 59 को डिफरेंट तरीक़ों से लिखा गया है. Let's see for 78 also. 70 plus 8 will give us 78. We can also write it as 50 plus 28. When we add 50 plus 20, what do we get? 78. 30 plus 48 will be 78. And if we add 78 and 0, what do we get? 78. So if we add all these combination, what do we get? 78. इस तरीके से आप बाकी के सम्स भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. अब ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. इसमें क्या करना है, हमें एक पजल सॉल्व करना है. देयर आर 6 नंबर्स 1 2 3 4 5 6. इन नंबर्स को हमें इस सर्कल्स में पुट करना है और कंडीशन क्या है, हम इस साइड को जोड़ें तो भी एडिशन 12 होना चाहिए, इस साइड को जोड़ेंगे तो भी एडिशन 12 होना चाहिए, एंड इफ़ वी ऐड दिस साइड ऑल्सो वी हैव टू गेट 12. इफ़ वी पुट 5 here, 6 here and 4 here. Okay, so 6 plus 5 will be 11 and we have to get 12. So there is a shortage of one number, so we will put 1 here. Then we will add 5 plus 4, which will be 9, and there is a shortage of 3 numbers, so we will put 3 here. And when we add 6 plus 4, it will be 10, and there is a shortage of 2 number, so we will put 2 here. So you can see that if you add this side 5 plus 1 plus 6, it will give us 12. If you add this side 5 plus 3 plus 4 will give us 12, and if you add this side 6 plus 2 plus 4 will give us 12. आप इसके different combination भी try कर सकते हैं. In this portion we have some cards 50, 70 and 20. So we have to arrange and make two combinations. Okay, 50 plus 20 will give us 70 and 20 plus 50 will also give us 70. So these are the two arrangements from these three cards. Now let's see here. We have same cards but the operation is minus here. Here also we have to make two arrangements. So 70 minus 20 will give us 50. 70 minus 50 will give us 20. So that's it for the today's session. If you have any doubt regarding this session, you can ask me on comment section. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing it. Thank you.